5 years ago, I was stuck in a 9 to 5, frustrated and dreaming of something better. Fast forward to today, I've replaced that job with a thriving knowledge-based business that gives me freedom and control over my life. If I had to start all over again, this is the exact step-by-step plan I'd follow to build a business from scratch. This isn't just theory, it's a proven blueprint that can take you from where you are now to where you want to be. But fair warning, if you're not ready to take action and commit, this video isn't for you. If you are, stick around. This could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Starting an online business often feels overwhelming because most advice involves mastering complex skills that take years to perfect. You're told to build a massive following or invest in expensive courses. Results are delayed, taking months or years to materialize. But what if there's a better way? A way to build a thriving business without showing your face, spending years learning, or risking your privacy. Here's the step-by-step plan I would follow to build a scalable knowledge business in just 8 hours a week. Research topics that resonate. Use AI tools to identify topics your audience is actively searching for. This ensures your content is relevant and valuable. Batch video creation. Create a week's worth of videos in one sitting using AI tools. Streamline your process to go from hours to minutes per video. Faceless content. Stay anonymous while still connecting with your audience. No need to be on camera to build trust. Focus on selling digital products. Skip relying on unpredictable ad revenue. Create digital products once and sell them repeatedly without ongoing effort. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise and has proven demand for digital products. Set up your digital product. Design a simple product and upload it to your website. Visitors from your videos will explore your site, and a percentage will convert into paying customers. Publish consistently. Commit to uploading content regularly. Just a few hours a week can lead to significant income growth over time. Why this method works. Low effort, high impact. Simplify content creation and let automation handle sales. No ads needed. Build your audience organically without a large budget. Scalable income. Reach a global audience and earn passively. Beginner-friendly. No need for advanced skills, expensive tools, or a big following. To help you get started, I've created a free 5-day email course that covers everything. How to choose the best niche. Discover profitable niches that excite you. How to research topics. Find out exactly what your audience wants. How to create a simple digital product. Build a product that generates consistent income. How to automate your business. Set up a system that works even when you're not. Not tech savvy? This method uses easy-to-learn tools. Short on time? You only need a few hours a week. Don't want to be on camera? Stay anonymous with faceless content. Tight budget? Start without spending on ads or costly software. This system has worked for me and countless others, and it can work for you too. Start now by signing up for the free mini course. Take the first step toward building a life and business on your terms.